the Cantina double steak quesadilla from Taco Bell. Taco Bell from the Chef Lorena Garcia. I'm Chef Lorena Garcia. I invented and reinvented the new quesadilla from Taco Bell. I just throw extra steak in. Anyways, it's steak with pepper jack cheese. I'm reading, of course. It's served with nacho chips, fire roasted tomato. Considered the worst meal in America. Hush, puppy. A fork and spoon combination. That's a spork. Alright. And this considered this might be the worst restaurant meal in America. And just gonna do it. And I'm gonna review it. Because this company is taking perfectly healthy fish and entombing it. Entombing! Who uses that word? Entombing! Entombing! Get along, John Silvers, to get the big, or the deadliest catch. The big catch. They blacken the bud by using squid ink or bamboo charcoal. Who knows? Get along, John Silvers. Forget these little people. It's bad for you.